Want to get rid of your Facebook page but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you the quick and easy way to delete or deactivate any Facebook page step by step. First of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the profile picture on right bottom side. Then switch to the page you want to delete. Again, tap on the profile picture on right bottom side. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Scroll down again and find the option Access and Control under Your Information. From here, tap on Delete or Deactivate Page, whatever you want to do. I will go with the page deletion. Tap on Delete Page here and continue. Here, tell the reason why you are deleting the page. I will go with last option and continue. Continue again. Download info if you want and go ahead. Enter your password here and delete your page. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.